What's good, my people? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is about Flavour levels. Like, levels has been fully accepted by everybody. I would gladly say Igbos all over the world have fully accepted this song, including Davido, including Chief Priest, including a whole lot of people. Anyway, this video, Davido was cited saying he choke after watching the video of Levels by Flavour. And on the other hand, Flavour himself became so very appreciative to Masterkraft for putting such craft out for him, you know, producing the beat and supporting him throughout the whole production. That's what we'll be sharing here. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share, comment in the comment section. Your thoughts, your comments are highly welcome. Enjoy the video. Tell us if you've watched the song.
Chop up. Imakone, hey. CP1. Juju. Sika, Doctor. Sika. Waji. Yeah. Side all on a weekend. Level.
Truly, the song has been appreciated and accepted globally. And again, this one is about Davido jetting out to Abuja and jetting back off Abuja. No, he jets down to Abuja, had this wonderful time, amazing time with some of his crew member, and he was cited with Israel. Israel was just praising him back to back the whole night in his regular way. We all know Israel is very good with praises to Davido, and it's working well for him, and he's serving Davido as well. And so far so good. Since his return to the DMW, it's been a beautiful and amazing time. And in this part, Davido actually blessed someone in the airport. I'll be sharing the video too, so keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, drop your comment, very important.
What are the two eyes guys? What are the guys? That the video guy. No, you. That the video guys. Tattoo artist.
Anyway guys, it was an amazing time out there with Davido and his team. So if you've not watched Levels, I'll be leaving a link to the direct video on the description below. Go check out the video of Flavour official page, watch it, stream it, drop a comment there, then come back to the channel if you've not watched the behind the scene. The behind the scene here is on the channel. Check out the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next